Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to speed up a clip in Premiere Pro. So if you want to increase the clip speed in your Premiere Pro, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is in the timeline, click on the clip you want to speed up. After that, right click on the selected clip and choose speed duration from the context menu, or go to the clip and select speed duration. After that, in the speed duration dialog box, increase the speed percentage to make the clip play faster. For example, we can set it to be 200% or about 250 to 300%, and we double the speed. After that, check the maintain audio pitch option if you want to speed the original pitch of the audio. After that, click on the Ripple Edit, shifting the traveling clip option to adjust the length of the clip on the timeline. After that, play back the clip to see the changes and make sure it looks good. After that, adjust the speed percentage further if necessary until you are satisfied with the result. That's it.